talk about making puppets with your kids. You can make these for your young children to teach subtraction and addition. So the first puppets I made are puppets about the song Five Little Ducks. And it has the mama duck and the baby ducks. And so part of the song, on each part of the song, one duck goes away. And the mom duck says quack, quack, quack. And then there's 4 ducks left. And then another part, 3 ducks are left. And then 2 ducks, 1 duck, and then no ducks. So you can teach kids about subtraction. And then the good news about the end of the song is that all the ducks come back. So that's cool. That's pretty fun. All right. Some other puppets I made are Old MacDonald Had a Farm. And so I have the farmer, have the lamb, the little horse, the pig, the cow, and the duck. And so with this song, you can teach addition. So there's a farmer, Old MacDonald had a farm, and then you can talk about the animals that he has. So you can add any animals. You can talk about the sheep, the horse, the pig, the cow, the duck, and you can say even more animals, like he has a chicken and a cat and a dog. Yeah, that's right. You want to sing with Mommy? Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On this farm he had a, what's this? What's this? Sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! So as you can see, my daughter was crying. My little 4-month-old was crying. And when I started singing to her, she calmed down. So babies and children, young children, they love music, and just talking to them and creating projects with them. That really makes them feel good and happy, and it helps them to learn. And before I go, I just want to show you the supplies that you'll need. Whoops. Okay, very simple. Excuse me, sweetheart. Okay. So you'll just need a little bit of glue. Okay. Some paper. You can get any kind of colorful paper. Popsicle sticks. Scissors, and a pin, and that's it. And if you don't want to draw the figures, you can print them out. If you have a printer, you can get the animals off of the internet and just print it out and glue it to your popsicle sticks. So yeah, just being creative and having fun with your family. That's what this is all about. I hope you like this video, and comment down below what your favorite children's song is, okay? Take care.
Bye.
Bye.